Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be unboxing the Kodak 32 Instamatic 32 camera. This camera was made in England, and they say that this is a premium camera. Well, let's check it out. By the way, I have already opened this and used it, but I'll show you. Here's the instruction manual. As you can see here, it has English, French, Spanish, Netherlands, and Deutsch. The one thing I don't have is the little flash adapter. I have one on order though, so expecting to get that pretty soon. So this camera, the Instamatic 32, was released in the UK in January 1972. Comes with a little wristband here in the container. And there it is, guys. They say this is a premium camera, maybe because of the gray. There's the box, that's all there is to it. I'm not going to be cleaning this one up because it is pristine. Alright, so here it is, the Kodak Instamatic 32 camera. Not much to it. It has a couple of settings here where you can set it to sun or to flash. It has a hot shoe here on top, which the adapter kind of slides on, and then it allows you to use the AG1 flash bulb. That's the only one I was able to find. There's where you attach the wrist guard. You can see this camera is never been used, except by me. This is where the film goes in. Strap in. Ready to rock and roll. That's what it sounds like. That's about all there is to it. It's very easy, point and shoot. These are some of the pictures that I got from the Instamatic 32. I realize that you have to be a little bit further away for the pictures to be in focus. Not too bad. So here it is. Kodak Instamatic 32 premium Instamatic camera. Very nice, and it's light gray. It's black back. Easy to use. There it is. Till next time, have a great day.